What's good? Mike is in the building. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. Here's what we do on the channel. Ride through New York City, have a good time, show you some tips and tricks on how to install and maintain your Ducati. On today's video, we're going to install the competition Werkes Fender Eliminator kit with some small adjustment I have made to my taste. Here's what you're going to need. Pretty straightforward. Gloves, Loctite, socket wrench, and a 5mm socket. Let's get to it. All right, first step, you're gonna wanna move the seat off your Ducati Hypermotard. You're gonna grab your key. There we go. So the very first thing you're gonna realize once you take off your seat, you're gonna see the ECU, and it's a very clean, open working area. You can reach pretty much everything you're gonna need to kind of get it done. The battery connection, everything else. So let's get to it. We're gonna take out these 4 screws. By the way, it's always very awkward when you're recording these videos because you got to try to hold the tool in a manner where you guys can see it. It makes it very tough to actually get an actual grip. There's actually no wrong or right way of doing this, guys. I just want to kind of make mention and show you guys this, is that what we've seen here, the cables that's running, this one of them is for the plate light, and then the other 2 is going to be for your left and right turn signal. I'm going to take these 2 screws out so I can get to the most amount of cable. Keeping it moving, it wouldn't be Ducati if it didn't have or need some special tools. So I'm going to use a T-Torx 20 here. Again, you don't want to force anything out. They should all come out pretty lightly. If it's giving you any problems to come out, just kind of finesse it a little bit here. So again, everything is fairly straightforward to come out. You don't need to push or pull. If it feels tight, take your time and then, you know, somewhat finagle it out of the way. And you can see here, once you take out the main part, the cover, everything's right here. And these are the little switches I was going to tell you guys about. I'm not cutting anything from the outside. So all of the OEM down to this clip here are going to stay. So where I'm going to clip and then zip tie and clean things up, it's going to be at this very edge here. I don't intend to reuse the OEM bulbs. But I'm keeping these wirings without touching them. Very important that you guys know this. Do not mess around with any of the OEM stuff or as it came from factory. I'm just clipping it here with a zip tie. Yeah. There we are. Everything's apart. For my frame of reference, what I like to do is basically split them apart like left to right. I put the left turn signal on the inside just so I know this is the right remaining here. For the bike, for the style of bike you have, you would think they'd put an LED here. This is kind of like a bulb. Before I start snipping anything, I like to feel very certain. So what I'm doing right now, I just want to see what the plug looks like. There. Alright, so what I'm doing right now, I'm checking the actual plug itself. If I were to snip this, can this be rewired? It can be rewired. It's a pretty easy going process. But I'm going to snip these 2 and then save them. You could just rewire them in there if you really need to. Oh, I wanted to show you this. This is very interesting how Ducati did something clever, which is kind of a rarity. See that back bulb? There's like a little latch here for you to just quickly open that latch to change it if you need to. But for a bike like this is like so cheap. This should have been LED. Come on, Ducati. This is one of the reasons I love Motivation USA. They're always looking at making sure everything is okay. So these are the adapters for the turn signals. You can always grab those if you are using Rizoma, and instead of having to snip anything, you don't. Basically, it has the conversion for it to work automatically. I'm gonna unhinge this. There's a little notch here. If you press, then you should be able to pull. There we are. Hopefully you guys can see that. Comes right off. There we are. So OEM is actually left unscathed, guys. So, and then now I'm gonna take the Rizoma one, the conversion. I'm gonna take our right turn signal. Red goes to red, and black goes to black. You wanna make sure you make a full connection. You're gonna slide the little protector here, the little rubber seal, full contact, and it's water seal. There we are. So basically, turn signal is connected, and that's good to go. You're gonna do the same thing on the opposite side. Again, huge shout out to Motivation USA for making sure. And the thing, like I said, guys, I did not even request for these pieces, and they just knew. Cool. There we are. Black with black, red with red. And yeah, to the red. And I'm actually very excited to be doing the Ducati Hypermotard videos, because it seems like there's a lack of Ducati Hypermotard proper installation on YouTube, which is a rarity, and I think I could help fill that void. So if you guys enjoy these videos and you like them, make sure you hit that thumbs up, leave a comment down below, let me know if it's helpful, and most definitely, if you find these videos helpful, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. Are we gonna do a quick test before we mount anything in? This is for the plate lights, which I won't need. It's good. And do the same thing here. These are actually included in the Competition Works kit. Almost to show you guys, once these are placed, you're going to crimp these so they stay. Then we'll do the next one. There we are, guys. Super clean wiring for left and right turn signals and the plate lights. So very clean. Now all I have to do is basically tidy up with zip ties, make sure everything is clean, and we should be good to go. Here, guys, gonna do a quick test to see how everything looks, if there are any issues. So one thing I really like about this, it's like the Camaro lights. Everything looks good. And of course, you can see the brake light. Make sure you guys can see that. See the light, everything's good. Dry fit here. See how this looks. I'm gonna tighten these bolts down now that I'm happy with the direction or where they're aiming. So Came out clean.
You made it to the end. Hopefully you found some useful information in this video. Comment down below, let me know what you'd like to see me install next on the Ducati Hypermotard 939 SP, some bar and mirrors, or some new levers. Catch you guys later.